First, open the Poppo Live app on your device. Make sure you either create a new account or log in using your existing account. It's also important to verify your account and complete all basic details so you can access all features without any issues. Next, tap on the Live button located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you tap it, you will be asked to complete face authentication and upload a clear live photo for verification purposes. After completing these steps, click on the Go Live Now button to start your live stream. During your stream, interact with your viewers by talking, singing, playing games, or showcasing any unique talents you have. The more engaging you are, the more viewers you can attract. As you go live, viewers can send you virtual gifts as a form of appreciation. These gifts are automatically converted into points or coins in your account. The more gifts you receive, the higher your earnings will be. Once you have collected enough points, go to your profile page. You can also boost your earnings by completing daily tasks, available in the rewards section of the app. Then, open the points section to check your balance. Finally, tap on the Withdraw Now button to transfer your earnings to your preferred payment method. This is how you can earn money on Poppo Live in a simple and effective way.